warehousing, and so from today onwards we go for the data warehousing concepts. So this is the first topic in the data warehousing. So initially, what is data warehousing? Here a data warehousing is a integrated, architected and periodic copying from heterogeneous sources. Nothing but integrated means we have to combine the data from heterogeneous sources like CSV files, Word files, and RDBMS files, and we have to integrate into a one platform, so which is called as staging area, and therefrom we have to architect it. Architected means how we process the data, these heterogeneous sources into a data warehouse. So here we have to remove some anomalies and redundancies, and also we have to copy the periodically, means we are getting data to the from the OLTP servers to OLAP servers. Here OLTP is nothing but is a real time and real data, and we have to copy the data periodically by batch processing and from heterogeneous sources into a centralized repository. So which is nothing but a data warehousing is nothing but which is an integrated, architected and periodic copying data from various heterogeneous sources, here both inside and outside the enterprise, means whatever the data we needed from the inside the enterprise, and also we have to get the outside the enterprise like live streamings and other things into a centralized repository. A centralized repository which holds all the data, which is nothing but a data warehouse. And why we use this kind of data means for the reporting purpose and analytical processing, and also we use for this AML processes. Thank you. This is about the data warehousing.